Hi there, students. A busybody. Could be one word, could be two words. You could probably even hyphenate it as well. Okay, a busybody who is a nosy Parker. It's somebody who's always meddling in other people's affairs. They're always interfering. They're intrusive. Yeah, they're always trying to push their own agenda. You don't do it like that, you do it like this. And they try to force you to do things their way. Yeah, it's somebody who is investigating other people's up things. Yeah, they're far too interested in things that are nothing to do with them. Yeah, be careful of the next door neighbor. She's an interfering busybody. Yeah, every time she gets the slightest bit of gossip, then it's all round the neighborhood, and normally it's wrong as well. Yeah, so an interfering person, an interfering busybody. To me, that's a really good collocation. Yeah, he says that he's only doing this for your own good, but he's being a busybody. It's my life. He needs to get his nose out of my business. Yeah, he needs to stop sticking his nose in where it's not wanted, or it'll probably end up getting broken. Yeah, so this word of busybody, it's critical, it's quite negative. Yeah, you're saying you don't like the way that they interfere in other people's affairs. Yeah, nanny state, the government, yeah, is just full of interfering busybodies. Yeah, they're trying to give us, make us do things in the way that they think we should do them, and we need to choose how we do things ourselves. Yeah, I wish he wasn't such an interfering gossip. Yeah, he's always meddling in other people's affairs, always prying into my stuff. Yeah, I always view this type of person as a busybody. Yeah, and that can be a real nuisance, a real problem. So I think when people are bored, that's when they become busybodies. Yeah, they're nosy Parkers. They're always snooping. They're trying to intrude into your life and to organize your own life for you. And that I really don't like. So, enough, a busybody. Well, let's do the origin and the formality. Formality, this is an informal word. I think I'd probably give it a 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, use it in a semi-formal conversation. You could just about use it in a semi-formal writing, but no more. Okay, so a busybody, somebody who's always interfering in everybody else's affairs, telling how people what to do. Yeah, they're always interested in other people's private matters. Yeah, and trying to tell them how they should organize their lives when it's absolutely nothing to do with them. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A busybody.